Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you OpenWRT versus Pfsense versus Opnsense, the best network security system. When it comes to open source network security, three names stands out: OpenWRT, Pfsense, and Opnsense. Each caters to different needs, whether you're a home tinkerer, small businesses, or full-scale network admin. OpenWRT is all about flexibility. It transforms consumer routers into highly customizable device. It's lightweight, perfect for low-end hardware, and offer endless tweaking options. Though it's less beginner-friendly and lacks enterprise features right out of the box. pfSense, on the other hand, is built for power and reliability. Known for its advanced firewall, VPN, and load balancing tools, it's trusted by businesses for its ability and depth. Though its interface feels a bit dated and some features are locked behind pfSense Plus. Then there's OPNSense, a modern fork pfSense that shines with its clean design, strong plugin support, and transparent community development. It's great for those who want built-in analytics and frequent security updates, but it can be resource heavy and still has a smaller enterprise following. In short, OpenWRE is best for low resource customization. pfSense excels in enterprise grade stability, and OPNSense delivers a polished, modern experience with powerful analytics. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.